Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome. Hello, it's James here. Hi, what's up, fam? How are you all today? I'm very well, thank you. Thanks for asking. So, welcome to this video. This video is all about words. Well, actually just one word. This word that we use all the time. If you don't know a word, just say get. Yes, it's very useful. In fact, if you go to a dictionary, you will find pages and pages on this one word, get. In fact, there's so much I've decided to split into two parts. This is part one. Part two will follow very shortly. Oh, my tip of the day, and it's a picture of a nighttime tip of the day. See, English humour, ha ha ha. My tip of the day is enjoy. Yes, be merry, have fun, laugh, smile when you're learning. It's very important, folks, very important. I'm going to be serious now. It's very important you enjoy your language learning. So whatever you do, do it in English. So if you like watching Netflix, watch it in English. If you like reading, read in English. If you like grammar books, yes, I know, some people like grammar, then read grammar books. Enjoy yourself, have fun. You learn a lot better and quicker when you do. And so, yes, our little word get. Let's get on with it, shall we? If you get what I mean. Ha 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 ha. And so, try to identify the verbs that get is replacing in these sentences. There are no sentences. There are now. I got home around 11:30 and went straight to bed. Now, which verb does this replace? I got home. Well, arrive, of course. I've been very nice and I've given you the first letter. And it's arrive. And in this case, in the past, I arrived. I arrived home around 11:30 and went straight to bed. Now, they got the train into Waterloo and wandered into Soho. Wander is a very nice word, folks. Use it. It means walk, for pleasure, for fun, enjoying your walk. Wander. Notice pronunciation. Wander. So they got the train. What do you do with trains and buses? That's right, you catch them or possibly take. But the most common one is get. Possibly catch. Take is maybe the least popular. So, on we go. Would you like me to get you a sandwich from Waitrose? Waitrose is a supermarket. A very nice supermarket. I'm not doing advertising, honestly. Would you like to get me a sandwich? Would you like me to get a sandwich? Would you like me to get you a sandwich? And I think the word we need here begins with a B, 3 letters, involving money, of course. Would you like me to buy you a sandwich from Waitrose? Now, can I ask you how much you get as a head teacher? How much do you get as a teacher? I think this is money, beginning with E, 4 letters. Earn, of course. How much do you earn as a head teacher? This is regular money, folks, a salary, every month, usually straight into your bank account. And this is earn, regular money, same every week, every month, every year, unless you get promotion or fired. She got quite a lot of money from the sale of her company. Now, this is about money again, but it's about being self-employed or having your own business. Some good months, some bad months, some good years, some bad years. And so, in this case, make. Yes, she made, past form, quite a lot of money from the sale of her company. Now, if you want to work in China, or just visit China, I think maybe you'll need to get a visa. This is true for some countries, not for all. Now, this is a strange word, isn't it? It's a word that is very formal, which you can use, and it is obtain. But we don't say obtain. You can do, but it is formal. Just remember, get is natural English. Natural language is the language we use every day. Formal language for large groups of people you don't know. I'm getting hungry. I'm becoming hungry. We don't say becoming hungry. We don't say I'm becoming thirsty. We don't say I'm becoming tired. Well, 1 or 2 people may. Most of us say I'm getting hungry, I'm getting tired, I'm getting confused. It's getting late. Does anyone fancy the new Italian? Does anyone fancy? Fancy is a good English word, folks. I use it all the time. It means would like something now. Not would like something in 2 years' time, would like something now. Do you fancy a cup of tea? Sounds good, thank you. Could you get my laptop from the bedroom, please? Now, you go and you bring back. You go and you bring back. And this word is not known always. It is fetch. So, if you have a dog and you have a ball, you throw the ball, you say to your dog, fetch. And hopefully, if you have a good dog, the dog goes for the ball and brings it back. Well done. I got him to fix my bike because he's much better at it than me. Now, notice these quote marks, or speech marks. So this is the idea. It's not a translation of the word. It's just the idea of arrange something. You arrange something to happen. So you have to ask him, arrange a time, arrange money maybe, talk about the job. And so this is arrange. I don't know why she likes him. I just don't get it. And of course, this word is understand. I just don't get prepositions. I just don't get the present perfect. Well, watch my video and you will. I got a pair of Nikes from my dad for my last birthday. And so, of course, yes, it's receive. Receive is formal, folks. Just say get. And so, yet more sentences. See if we can remember the words that get replaces. Let's have a look, shall we? I might help you if I'm feeling nice. If we run, we might just get the last train. Of course, you have a choice of two here. Catch or take. Julio gets quite a lot of money when business is good. He makes, of course. He makes quite a lot of money when business is good. You earn regular money, you make money when it's different from month to month. You can also use make for when it's regular as well, folks. Remember, language is not mathematics, right? Language is not mathematics. It changes. Everyone's different. They use words differently. They're crazy. Oh no, I've spilt some wine. Could you get a cloth from the kitchen? You go, you bring, you go, you bring, you fetch, of course. Daniel got a new bike from his girlfriend on his birthday. Lucky Daniel. Nice girlfriend. Thank you. Received, of course. What time did you get home last night? Late. What time did you arrive? Yes, I really don't get what you're saying. I really don't understand what you're saying. May is getting tired. I can see her yawning. Yawning is when you go, May is becoming tired. But don't say becoming. Nurses don't usually get much money for what they do. It's true, they are much underpaid. But they are wonderful people. Earn. Nurses don't usually earn much money for what they do. I got some milk from the supermarket, but I forgot to get some bread. Oh, two gots. Gets, got, get. Yes, they would be. Bought and buy. Yes, I bought some milk from the supermarket, but I forgot to buy some bread. You need to get your hair cut. Remember this? This is not the word, but the idea. And the idea is you ring up, you arrange a time, and you arrange it. So you need to get your hair cut. If you want to borrow books from the library, you need to get a library card. Do you remember this one? It begins with O. Yes, of course. It's obtain. There we go. Obtain. There you are. Just a little introduction to get. And remember, I will be adding part 2 very, very soon. So if you want to use this very useful word in all sorts of possible ways, then practice. So it's time once again to say cheerio. It's been nice chatting, but now I've got to get going. Haha. Yes, and if you want to subscribe and watch more videos like this to entertain and educate, then please do. Cheerio.